how to introduce yourself and your family. So let's get started with self-introduction. We can add points to include in self-introduction. Name, place, qualification, family background, hobbies, strength, short-term goal, long-term goal. What is self-introduction? Self-introduction means to tell others about yourself in short and simple words. It helps others to know who you are, where you are from, and what you do. It includes your name, place, qualification, hobbies, and goals. So let's get started with self-introduction. First of all, whenever you introduce yourself, you should start with a polite line. You can say, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. This line shows good manners and confidence. Now let's talk about your importance point include in your self-introduction. I will explain each point one by one so you can understand it properly. Point 1. Name. First, tell your name clearly and confidently. You can say, my name is Ishi. Second point, place. Next, where you are from. You can say, I am from Indore. This helps others know your background or hometown. Next, qualification. After that, tell what you are studying or what you have completed. For example, I have completed my 12th class and now I am pursuing B.Tech. This part tells about your education. Next, hobbies. Then talk about your hobbies. You can say my hobbies are reading book and listening to music. Next, strength. Now mention your strength or qualities. For example, I am hardworking, honest and positive person. It shows how you think about yourself. Next, goals. You can also talk about your goals in your life. Say, my short-term goal is to improve my communication skill and my long-term goal is to become successful in my field. Goal makes your introduction complete and meaningful. Next, ending line. Always end your line self-introduction politely. You can say, that's all about me and thank you so much for listening. Now that we have completed the self-introduction, let's move to family introduction. Here also we have some points to include. Let's understand them one by one. First, type of family. Start by saying what kind of family you belong to. You can say, I belong to a small and happy nuclear family. How many members are in your family? You can say, there are 4 family members in my family. My father, mother, brother and me. Next, father's occupation. Then tell about your father does. My father is a teacher and he is very honest and hardworking man. Next, mother's occupation. Now talk about your mother. My mother is a homemaker. She takes care of our family with love and care. Next, brother sister details. If you have siblings, mention them too. You can say my brother is studying in school. Next, after that, say something about your family values. For example, we support each other. My family has taught me honestly. My family has taught me honesty, kindness and discipline. Next, ending line. And politely by saying, that's all about my family. Thank you so much for listening. Now let's combine both. Now let's combine both self and family introduction together in one beautiful paragraph. My name is Ishi and I am from Indore. I have completed my 12th class and now I am pursuing B.Tech. I belong to a small and nuclear family. There are 4 members in my family. My father, mother, brother and me. My father is a teacher and my mother is homemaker. My brother is studying in school. My hobbies are reading book and listening to music. I am a hardworking, honest and positive person. That's all about me and my family. Thank you so much for listening. So that's how you can give a perfect self and family introduction together.